I got something big for you this week. This is going to make a $30,000 difference with your agency. What is that thing you're asking? It's the big question, can we meet up, that you get with 9 out of 10 subscribers that subscribe to the model's account. Doesn't matter whether it's an AI model, a real model, the subscriber is going to drop this on you at least once throughout their lifetime on the account. And that is going to be pretty early on. So how do you continue extracting revenue from them without shattering their hopes and dreams after they drop the big question, can we meet up? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. It's very simple, and the psychology applies the same to all simps, whether it is on a real model's account, whether it's on an AI model's account. The psychology remains the same. It does not matter. So you do these tricks, and through the recurring revenue alone that you're going to get from not burning these subs, that is going to make, as I said at the start of the video, a $30,000 difference at least. So what you're going to do is you're going to string them along without making false promises. What's going to happen? Sub's going to join, bit of chit chat, bit of back and forth, and eventually they're going to say, what are you doing this weekend? Now that's the PG version. It's typically a lot more spicy than that, but they're going to try and get your number. First thing they're going to try and do is get you off the platform. They're not dumb. Like, at the end of the day, they're not dumb. They're going to try and get you off the platform to a free platform, WhatsApp, Telegram, number, just anything, Insta. You know what they're doing there. That's the first thing they're going to do. And then they're going to follow it up with, what are you doing this weekend? Can we meet up? As I said, that's the PG version. It's going to be a bit more spicy in that. And now the way you want to deal with this without shattering their dreams and burning them so that they expire is you're just going to eventually just move the goalposts further and further away without actually saying no. So you're not saying yes or no, but you're not saying no. You're just moving the goalposts, and you're doing this by getting them to sympathize for your safety. So an example, what are you doing next Tuesday? Can we meet up? I love you, blah, 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 whatever. I'd rather get to know you on here first, if that's okay. You can't be too careful these days. Is that all right? And I'm like, yeah, okay, yeah, no, right, yeah, that's fair, that's fair. What about next Tuesday? That's how they're going to do it. Yeah, okay, yeah, I get it, I get it. What about next Tuesday? And then you go, we'll just see how it goes. I really like you, but you can't be too careful these days. I'm sure you don't mind. You don't care, do you? No, that's fine, blah, blah, blah. And then you're going to try and get back to selling. And then what they're going to do is they're not going to buy stuff. They're not going to buy your PPVs because they just want to date you, and you're like, oh, can't be too careful. You know what I mean? Yeah, what about next Tuesday? And what they're going to do is they're just going to hold off and they're not going to buy any of your stuff. So you make them feel like they need to buy it to make you feel special, because then their chances of meeting up with you are a lot higher. For example, I'll be open to it, but you're not making me feel special by not buying any of my content. So that's what you're just using. You're playing the sympathy card. It applies regardless what what niche the model is in, the AI model, the real model. It doesn't matter. Using the same tactics, and that's just guilt tripping them. Really, it's just guilt tripping them. And anyway, you do this, and I'll try not to drag this on any longer than it has to. You just do this, and you'll convert 9 out of 10 subs that drop this on you. And as I said, it's all going to pop up. It is especially common with traffic from dating apps. Reddit is probably the next one. Instagram has such a low fucking conversion rate, it doesn't even matter. If you're using Insta to try and get traffic and you're wondering why you get no subs, well, that's it. But yeah, anyway, now at the moment, running a flash sale on my agency accelerator. That is what this is from, along with outreach, onboarding, AI model creation, traffic generation, unlimited content generation for AI models, monetization such as this, chatting psychology, along with a bunch of scripts. And then all you do is you plug these in, automate them, you put your feet up, make 100K a month. That's the end goal, isn't it? Yeah, running a flash sale on that. Link below. It's normally over $1,000, but link below, it's like 70% off or something. But otherwise, if you're not interested in that, no worries at all. Hang around for the next video. If you liked the video and you took something from it, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.